Looking for a high-protein, quick, and delicious breakfast? This recipe for protein pancakes is exactly what you need. We're going to walk through how to make these amazing pancakes, ensuring you start your day with energy and flavor. Let's start by gathering and measuring our dry ingredients for the pancake batter. You'll need half a cup of oats flour and 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and a half teaspoon of baking powder to your dry mix. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients that will give our pancakes moisture and flavor. Mash 1 banana until smooth, and then crack 2 whole eggs into a separate bowl. Don't forget the vanilla essence. Add 1/4 teaspoon for a beautiful aromatic lift. Time to bring everything together to form our perfect protein pancake batter. Transfer all your dry and wet ingredients into a blender, or mixi as some call it, for easy mixing. Add just a tiny bit of milk to help the blending process, and grind until you have a smooth, consistent pancake batter. Now for the best part, cooking the pancakes until they are golden and fluffy. Heat a pan on the stove and melt a small amount of butter on the surface. Pour your batter onto the hot pan and cook each side until it is golden brown and cooked through. Your protein pancakes are ready. Here are some ideas for how to serve them. Serve your pancakes with fresh banana slices, date syrup, or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. For an extra touch, you can prepare a simple fruit compote to top your pancakes. It's a wonderful addition. Enjoy your delicious high-protein pancakes. They're the perfect fuel for your day.